Welcome back to my channel. You'll have to excuse the mess. What I did lately is I run the taillight wiring and made a quick disconnect down there, spliced that in so that when it comes time to pull this bed back off to paint, I can just unplug it without having any drama. I'll give you a chance to check out the tail lights, brake lights, and headlights. So all that's working now. Okay, so here we go. Tail lights, brake lights, and headlights. So it's pretty warm out here. The other day it was 106 at 8 o'clock at night. So I'm just trying to do some things, that don't take too much money or just a little bit of skill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I appreciate it.